Hi folks, Rich Bassine from rjbassine.com. Come to you today to talk to you about groups, glitches, and best offers. And I want to start with the first topic is groups. Um, I don't know if a lot of you are aware out there that do follow me, the YouTube followers, and I don't know if the people on eBay will know about this, but I do have a group, and I just wanted to share it with you in case you want to. It's a Facebook group, and I'm going to do a screen split here, share, I should say. And the name of the group is the eBay Top Rated Sellers, and anybody could join it basically. My only thing is with this group. I like people who are going to join, who are going to participate and be able to share their experiences, their buying experiences with the other sellers. Buyers are also welcome to join. Um, the reason why I'm making this statement in regards to that is I've been having people giving me group requests, and a lot of them are not really coming onto the site to share their selling experiences on eBay. It's more so, I think they think of it more so of how could you say it, a dating site or a social media site, and it's not. And I have been declining a lot of people that were doing group requests. However, the group did grow quick, considering when I started it. I have, I think, 130 some members already, something along that line. It's still going, and I don't mind people wanting to participate in the group and join it. The only thing I say is in regards to that, I would like people to who are going to join it to be able to participate. But that's all I ask about that there, and I allow people to do posts. As you can see, it's called the eBay Top Rated Sellers Group. I'm sorry, tongue twister there. But again, you guys out there who follow me, if you want to join it, you're more than welcome to. I'd love to have you as a subscriber to the group. I do allow postings on here, like if you want to do a listing. I had a couple people to post some stuff on it. I do some of my own posting as well. And as you can see, the group members here is it's 133. And it looks like I got another request up there, and I got some more notifications. But you're welcome to join if you would like to. Also, I have a Twitter account. It goes into rjbassine.com. If you want to be a follower on that, I do tweet every now and then on here. Basically, it's stuff pertaining to eBay, or I let the other followers know that I'm posting new stuff up, and I just give them a heads up at the like shout it out, hey, I'm putting some new stuff up, maybe you're interested. So if you want to follow me, it's at rjbassine.com on Twitter. And if you want to join us here, the eBay Top Rated Sellers Group, you're more than welcome to. The only thing I ask is if you're going to join, again, this is pertaining to sellers and buyers. That's what this group is all for, and I would love to have you guys. But anyway, that's one topic. The other thing I want to talk about is the glitches in the system with eBay. Okay, now this here, I have this listing here, and I wanted to change the category. So I mean, I got 17 views on it. I got 2 people watching, but this has been relisted, I don't know, maybe twice so far, maybe a couple times. I'm not really sure. And sometimes if you're getting people just watching and you're not getting really anybody, any takers, it's most likely, they're hunting out there. And that's fine. I mean, I do the same thing. Or it could be in a raw category. Now, as you see, the category up here says art dealers and resellers, posters. Now, I want to change that. I don't know if I'm getting enough exposure on this. I would like to change it. So the glitch I'm experiencing, I want to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you from start to finish pretty much. And you decide for yourself. Maybe you might be experiencing the same thing, maybe not. Maybe you're aware of glitches, maybe you're not. I don't know. I wasn't aware of any glitches at the time. I just happened to stumble onto this here, and I had called up eBay on 2 occasions because I've had experiences where I try to change a category, and it put me in the gallery plus thing, I guess to show your picture, make a bigger picture, whatever they want you to, I guess. Putting a big picture out there is probably going to be able to help sell it. I don't know. I didn't want it though. But I'm going to show you what's going on here so you can see for yourself. And like I said, this is live. Okay, this is a live thing I'm doing here. So I'm going to click revise my item. Or revise your item, I should say. Okay, my computer's a little slow here. I know I do have on the windows open up. Okay, as you can see here, I might even change the title. I got to say, you know, like maybe reword it a little different. That could be another reason too. But here's the problem. Now, I'm going to scroll down here, and I want you to see, I want to show you something. Now, you see here, this is the glitch. Now, if you guys have this on your listings and you didn't put it there, you might want to remove it, because if you relist it again, you're not paying attention. They charge you $1 for this. Okay? That's why they say fees may apply. They should just put down there $1 because that's what it costs. Anyway, I didn't put this on there. Okay, I don't ever use Gallery Plus for that. First off, it's $1, and let alone the listing fee is 30 cents. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. I'm going to uncheck this now. Watch when it unchecks. Watch where it says saving. See up here? See the arrow key here? See it just said saving? Okay. Now you're probably thinking, okay, well, he unchecked it, so the $1 fee should go away. Okay. Keep your eye on this. I'm going to scroll down. And lo and behold, now they got it where they didn't put the $1. They didn't charge it. But the last time it was $1. Okay, but now it's seeing 0 there, right? That's because I didn't get a chance to change the category. Watch when I change the category. Okay, you see it says 0 now, right? Okay, so you might say, okay, everything looks good. Okay, he took that out. He commented that out. He unchecked it, right? Where is it? Okay, you see I unchecked it. Okay, okay, and we're going back down. It's showing 0, right? But that's because I didn't change anything, really. If you think about it, I didn't really change anything. Now, watch when I change the category, okay? Keep your eye on this now. This is the thing that's interesting. So I'm going to go into Browser Category, and I'm going to go check out, I'm going to put it in, let's see, Entertainment Memorabilia. I'm going to go over here for Movie Memorabilia, and then I'm going to go over here, put posters, because that's what it is, a poster. And I'm going to say it's the United States. I don't know when that movie came out. I'm going to rechange again. This is just for show. I want to show you because I can't change it anyway. I'll tell you why in a second. So I'm going to use this here. Okay. So now, as you can see, there it goes. Look, it looks good, right? Entertainment, memorabilia, so on and so forth, right? Look, that's what I want. Okay. I'm not going to change the title yet. Now, you seeing what I did, right? Okay. Now, you see here, before it said fees may apply, it didn't show you, right? See here? It's still unchecked, right? All right, you notice it, right? It's unchecked, right? Now you're saying, okay, so everything should be good. Watch. Keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. And there's the issue right here. See what happens, folks? Now, if you're not paying attention to this, I'm not saying you can't miss that anyway. How could you not miss that, right? I mean, it's there, you know. You'll end up spending more money on listing fees and something silly. And I'm going to tell you why it's silly. They want to charge you $1 to display a large photo in the search results. Okay. When you're looking this thing up anyway, if you do a search on this here, Breakfast at Tiffany's, you're going to see a little icon. How much bigger are they going to make that picture? They're charging you for $1 for it, right? Think about it. Now, I can't. Here's what messes you up and slows your sales up. if you can't make the category, let's say, so well, just because you change the category doesn't mean it's going to sell. Not necessarily. That's not true, because I'll tell you why. There has been times I have changed the category, and I had more views, and I had sold the item a lot much more quicker. Okay, because you got to understand something. People, when they're searching, they type in different. They use different wording. Like, all right, they'll say breakfast at Tiffany's, or they might say, they might just put down. I have over here breakfast at Tiffany's. They might reword it Audrey Hepburn at breakfast at Tiffany's movie or something like that. They might reword it around a little different. Okay, so people say, well, you could have left the categories and just reword the title. You could have. I could have done that, but I want the categories to be changed. The problem lies here with their algorithm. It's between the category and right here the gallery plus. There's something wrong with the categories and the gallery plus. Okay, that's the problem right here. That's the issue right here. Now, if I go back out of this, all right, I go back out of this. I back out. I'm going to back out. I'm just going to go out of it. Okay, I'm going to go to my eBay again. I know my system's slow for some reason here. Okay, I'm going to go to my selling. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to that one there. Breakfast at Tiffany's. Where is it? Here it is, right here. Okay, click it on. Now I'm going to show you I can revise other things. Okay, I'm going to show you. Well, revise other things, meaning I'm just going to show you. I'm going to change the title around. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Buy it now, just to show you what I'm talking about. Just to show you that it is an active listing, and I can make a little modifications to it. I could probably, if I wanted to, put over here new use. I mean, it'll let me do that. There's no issue as long as I don't change this. Okay, now as you can see, I took out the buy it now. I did not touch the change. I didn't change the category. I left that alone. I didn't add. Now, if you add, there are charges that apply if you add a second category, which I never do because, like I said, I don't know if I did this and the other thing, you're probably talking a buck $1.50, $1.60 just to do one listing. I mean, you could really rack up if you do like 100, like I have 100, 200. Like if you do like 200 of these here, that adds up. You'll have a big, nice, fat eBay bill at the end of the month. Now. Okay, so as you've seen, I took out the buy it now. I left that alone. I didn't touch the category. Now we go down. Now, let me just check something over here. Now, here's the funny thing about this here. See here? Check this out. I didn't even put that in there. But, now here's the other oddball thing about it. That's why I said they got a serious glitch problem. This is checked. Okay, you can see it's checked. I didn't check it. You seen it? I didn't check it. You were watching me. I didn't check this here. It was unchecked. Okay, so everything's still the same. Is the title still the same? Right? Still got it under used. I unchecked it, and now I go down here, and now I could update my listing. Okay. This is what I'm talking about, folks. Be careful with the listings, okay? Okay, now I say I'm done. I already changed my title. But you see what happens now? Now, I don't use Gallery Plus. So that's what I'm trying to say. Just be careful. And the other thing is, if you want to read up on the glitches and stuff like that there, I did a Google search. And this came up under this here. Google solved. Here's one person says Google solved on the Google search. eBay glitch, the eBay community. I did it. Tried the new eBay. All the glitches are still there. One helpful message, 10 or 24. What's the other one here? Here. Are eBay glitches hurting auction sales? I think they would. I think they would hurt because I'm going to show you next in an email. I subscribe to this person here. It's called E-Commerce Person. I think I might have told you guys about this once before. The followers, anyway. See here, now this goes back to September 2014. Okay, now you might say, well, it's a couple of years old. 3, 4 years old, or 3 years old, whatever. Okay, So here's the thing. Now it says over here, are eBay glitches hurting the auction sales? Okay. Now, here's what someone wrote here. It says there have been a lot of reports. Now this is from e-commerce Bytes shop or e-commerce Bytes shop. There have been a lot of reports of glitches that are impacting the auctions on eBay. Recently, last week, now again, they're talking for 2014. Last week, one such glitch prevented some shoppers from bidding on auction listings. Buyers told sellers they were unable to bid on their auction listings because, according to eBay message, the seller does not ship to geographic location. This despite both parties being located in the U.S. In another reported glitch, buyers said that when they tried to display all the auctions in which they had placed bids, eBay did not display all the listings. And it goes on. You can read this if you want. I think I mentioned this once before in one of my videos. You might want to subscribe to this here. It's very good, very good information. I think it's a husband and wife thing deal, a business that have this. And very informative. It's really good. They talk about over here, thanks to the new fee structure. Matter of fact, I did a post. I made a comment on one of these things here. I think it was about a seller having a problem with the buyer or something along that line. I did put, I don't know if the comment's still there, if they take it out, if it's archived, but here are the archives. I bet you if I look at it, I might find mine, but I'm not going to do it now. I'm not going to take your time up. Anyway, that's one of the things I was talking about, the eBay glitches. Again, eBay down, current status problems, down detector. Now, apparently they have a down detector. I don't know. Somebody set this thing up. I don't know if it prompts you or not. See what it says over here? Down detector. I guess it's a website they put up. And it says over here, eBay is online website, auction websites, that the facility sales are good, public, blah, blah, so on and so forth. You might want to look into this here. If you have a problem, I guess you could let them know it. You could put up on this here. This is not, as far as I know, it's, I guess, a third-party website, because I don't think it's eBay. I don't think eBay has this here. But they tell you when the site's going to be up or whatever, down, whatever. So you might want to check into that as well. I don't know if anybody was experiencing any of these glitches. This apparently has been going on for a couple of weeks, from what I understand. That's what the people at the eBay tech support were saying, that they're aware of the technical glitch. Why is it taking so long to correct it? I don't know. But to me, I find it to be a nuisance, because now I'd have to call up eBay. I already called them up twice, and I had to go through the same format where they allowed me to update it, and then once I updated it, they refunded me the money right there and then. They said, we're going to credit your account. So now I got to do it again. So it's frustrating, it's annoying, and it's nerve-wracking to do the same things over and over again, and then let alone to wait on the phone, So they have their problems over there. To me, I don't know, my old saying is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Every time companies, they want to add new bells and whistles to their website and stuff like that, sometimes old is better, like leave it alone. I mean, I'm not saying like for security purposes and stuff like that, not to beef up the security, processing like for PayPal or their site. But when it comes to things of that nature where, you're doing listings and you got to have a little glitch like that, that's annoying. I had called twice today because I needed them to, I wanted to update a couple things, a couple listings, and it had that dollar fee there. And in order for me to do the upgrade, the update, I had to pay that dollar. So I told them, I said, if I click on that there, you're going to refund me right away. And they said, yeah, we'll refund you. So just keep that in mind, folks, with that part. There are glitches going on there with eBay, and that's just one. I'm sure if you click on the other things, you'll probably find a whole bunch of other things going on with it. And don't be surprised, these glitches might hinder your sales too. Right now, it's been quiet for me. I really haven't did much with it. It's been a very quiet, semi-quiet week. And then again, I'm not selling the top of the line stuff either. I'm not selling great things either. So it is what it is. The other thing I wanted to talk about is best offers. Now, if you notice on my listings here, I do have best offers, but I have to laugh at some of the these offers I've been getting lately from buyers, and I just wanted to share a couple with you. I was selling an item for $19.99 with postage. So I get a best offer, and the buyer says, I'll buy it for $19.99, but I want free shipping. So I responded to the offer. I just said in the offer, I counted, I said I made a counter, and I said I can't sell it for that. I can't sell the thing without paying, with offer free shipping. After that, I just hit the decline button, So then later on, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes later, same person, same buyer decides to buy it. Look, if I buy something, I'm just using this as a for instance or as an example. If I buy an item for $10 and I'm selling it for 20, okay? If I have to include that free shipping in there, the shipping for this item was $9. I'd lucky if I went along with that buyer what they wanted, I'm lucky I made $3 profit when I should be making 15 or whatever, 20, 15 or 20, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I can't, sometimes you can't offer free shipping. You can't offer that in there. My little advice to buyers who do use the buy, the buy it now is one thing, but the best offers, try to have a set margin on what you're looking for. In other words, if you're selling something for, let's say you're selling something for $15, but your target price is $10. You started off at $15 and let them chew you down. It's just like selling a car. I don't know if years back, I remember many years ago as a teenager, I used to always hear people say, well, you sell it, you always market high and you let them chew you down a little. But your real target price, like somebody would say to me, hey Rich, if you're selling your car, how much you want for it? What are you looking for? $3,000. Well, back in the day, we used to run ads in the paper, the local newspaper, and you'd put it in $3,500 negotiable. So the person comes over the house, the potential buyer looks at it and they check it over and say, well, I'll tell you what, I'll give you $3,500 for it. I mean, $3,000 for it. Will you knock $500? Yeah. Okay, sure, that's right. Because your original target price was $3,000 anyway. It's the same thing with best offers. It's no difference there. It's the same exact thing. But sometimes these buyers really come out off the wall with these things. The other one I had the other day was matter of fact, it was with the Al Pacino picture, poster picture, or whatever, and I had listed it for $19.99 and it had free shipping on it. There was an error in there because I don't want to charge free shipping on this. It's going to be a heavy thing. Person comes back with a best offer. Now, mind you, it had free shipping on there, and it was listed for $19.99. Okay, person comes back with an offer, $9. $9, free shipping. For when it went from $19.99 down to $9 plus free shipping. I didn't even bother explaining to the buyer as to why he declined it. I just hit the decline button because I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, but I'll give you an example. I'll just give you a little, for instance, for what I paid for that, and if I was to accept that offer, which would be ludicrous and crazy on my behalf, I would be coming out with zero. I'd be coming out negative. Because first off, to ship that thing, it's about yay big, but it's in a metal frame, and the metal frame is heavy. It's kind of heavy. I ain't making nothing on that. I'd be making zero on that particular item. I modified it. I had to change it. I left it at $19.99 with best offer. And I had to I had to take away the free shipping. That was an error in there. There's no way I could offer free shipping on stuff like that. I won't be making any money. Sales, like I said, they're pretty slow right now. It's a little difficult out there right now to make some sales, at least for me anyway. On my eBay top rated sellers group, one of the participants or member said they had a good week or whatever. They sold, they made $1,100 for the week. And somebody wrote in there, yeah, it's rubbing salt in the wound, whatever. It's like, I don't think the person was being boastful. I think they were just sharing, because You know, that website, that eBay top rated seller group. You know, people share. You know, they want to share the things. Like someone sent a message. Uh, they want to know how long people have been selling on eBay. You know, so you know, I don't mind stuff like that. The only thing I do mind is, like I said, I don't want people using it as a dating site or a social network. In other words, I don't want people coming there and, hey, you want to get together? Let's meet over here. If you're gonna come into the group with some kind of experience, if you could. If not, that's okay. If you're a beginner, that's fine too. But it's got to be, you know, online or e-commerce related, online seller, online sales related. I don't want people coming in saying, I went to a picnic this week, or I'm going to the beach, or whatever. This is not a site where I want to have where people are sitting there talking about, you know, their own personal life stuff. You know, I had, like I said again, I'm sorry, I'm drifting back onto the groups again, but I had people coming on here. I'm not going to tell you what they said or, you know, what it looked like to me. I didn't even bother reading it. What I do now is I screen them when I see them, and I make sure that the person's got some kind of business dealings. The person's self-employed. Even if they're working for a company, but they're doing this on the side is one thing. But I update this there. I make sure that I'm not getting people coming in here with those intentions. And I don't know why, to be honest with you, why people would want to come to a eBay top-rated seller group and look at it as a dating service or to meet people like that. Yeah, it is Facebook, but this is a business Facebook. I mean, if you want to talk about stuff like that on a personal Facebook, that's fine, but not on a business Facebook. You know, that's not what it's all about. I'm sure buyers and sellers on my group, you know, they have interaction where they talk with each other. You know, and that's fine. I don't care about that. I'm talking about other stuff, and I'm not going to get into the other things. I think you guys out there know what I'm talking about. But anyway, that's basically I wanted to cover a topic with you is with that there with the groups and the glitches and the best offers is what I want to express or talk about. I can't think of anything else right now offhand what I wanted to express to you guys. I don't know how your sales have been. Like I said, mine have been slow, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you have any problems like that, if you experience any glitches of your own, or if you don't know about it, I hope I brought this to your attention. You could check it for yourself. As you can see, I know that's only one, but there are a couple of them. Like I said, I had a couple that I had to call up eBay and tell them to waive that dollar fee because I needed to change it. You know, I noticed though. I get a lot of people, not a lot, but I do get watches on the stuff I have. But, you know, it's like the old saying, everyone's watching, no one's buying, you know, so that doesn't really help me out. But it is what it is, you know. That's the eBay, you know, that's the world of eBay, and we got to take it, you know, for what it's worth. If you guys have any comments you want to share or you got any things you want to talk about, please, you know, leave it in the comments. If you need to contact me, you could always contact me at rjpacini@verizon.net. And I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. I just thought I'd share this video with you guys, and I hope it helps. And if you like what I do with these videos, please subscribe. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber. And if you like what I do with the videos, I do the sneak peeks, the demos, and the intro videos. You want to give it a thumbs up, that's great too. If not, that's fine. You know, maybe you just landed on this page because you were curious to see what I was all about. Again, my name is Rich Pacini from rjpacini.com. I've been selling on eBay since 1999. I've been doing it on and off, and then last year I kind of like got into it basically on a full-time basis, and we'll see what happens. You know, we'll play it by ear. We'll see how it works out. You know, I like it. I like eBay. I have nothing against eBay. I'm not happy about what they're going to do with the top rate seller fees as far as the final value fees. I think they used to get 20% off. Now it's going down to 10. So like that old saying is, you're paying more for less. So I guess people would say, well, hey, take it on the chin. It's better than nothing. And I guess it is, you know. The only thing, like I said, you know, between that and the postage going up, it kind of like makes things a little different, you know, a little difficult to make a decent income stream. But it is what it is. So, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna call it a night. It's 11 o'clock over here on the East Coast here, New York time. And you know, if you guys got any, you know, like I said, you have anything you want to state, make any comments, or you know, you might go, you know, what you want to comment on what I was talking about, that'd be great. Thanks again, guys. You have a great night, great day. Good luck on your eBay selling. I wish you all good health and prosperity with your businesses. Take care. Bye now.